Hi everybody, I'm Jared Dillingham in Rocky Point, or Puerto Peñasco, Mexico. This is along the Sea of Cortez, and a lot of people have been searching to see what the Malecon is like here, so let me walk you through what you can find here today. Rocky Point is famous for its bars, and the Malecon downtown has a row of multi-story bars to check out day or night, including the famous Boo Bar with its ocean views and swings right up at the bar. Plus, Arizonans will feel right at home here with all the State 48 decor on the walls. The Malecon is lined with a bunch of boozy options, and bar hopping is, of course, one of the big draws here. You could see one of the bar restaurants, The Point, is actually out on the water. And speaking of the water, you can also enjoy the blue-green waters and sandy beach at Playa Mirador, which is just east of downtown Rocky Point. Back on the Malecon, you can also check out plaques from a 2007 border conference between governors in the United States and Mexico, which turned tense over immigration and border security issues, which still exist many years later. Okay, back to the touristy stuff now. While you can grab food at any of the bars on the Malecon, my favorite two options are takeout. The fish markets offer fresh caught shrimp and oysters, plus flounder and grouper, which they'll clean and fillet for you on the spot. Across the street, you'll find a family cranking out tortillas and other Mexican staples, selling packs of 10 for $3. While the Malecon is home to all the souvenir shops you'd expect, you might want to check out the 3 floors of Mexican-made decor up at Sophia's Curiosities on the next street over. As for parking in the area, you can try to find a spot on the street or pay $5 and park in the lot at the end. You know, there's a reason why a lot of Arizonans affectionately refer to Rocky Point as Arizona's beach, because it's only 3.5 hours drive from Phoenix, and you can score some really great deals here on hotels as well. I'll see you next time.